2021-12-31. Early New Year. Thailand, Hua Hin. Less than 6 hours left of the year, the sunset turns the hazy evening sky pink. The music echoes between the houses, there is laughter and conversation while the air is filled with different perfumes. They prepare for midnight, when old promises are erased and new ones are made, a kind of reset button that turns the future into a paradise. 20 years ago the party was already underway. Today I enjoy a cup of tea while my nephew watches a movie. We are both waiting for tomorrow. Today we fitted support wheels and fixed the brake on his bike. The first he owns, so he learns to ride a bike and I get to move around. Just like 10 years ago, different type of relationship, and I weighed almost 130 kilograms then. 2024, Sweden as short as possible to sort the driver's license for MC, then to work in the Åland archipelago as a chef this summer, on to Costa del Sol Spain in August/September. I have planned 3 more years to design an everyday life with accommodation and work there. In 10 years I will be able to retire if I wish. Sweet dreams are made of this. Happy new one.